How to turn off tags, email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off tags, email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and here just click tags, and now click this one, email, turn it off. And as you see, email have been turned it off, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.